You are now tuned in to Wavy RSX.
What's up, YouTube? Oh shit. Just left work, going to my boy Wavy Officials. His shop. He just painted my Aspec front lip and rear lip. It's like an hour drive from me, so I'm gonna go over there, do that. I'm gonna try to make a little video about it. Oh shit, there's the boys. Holy shit, traffic's so fucking bad, bro. There we go. Damn, that's crazy. It looks exactly how like the OEM shit would look. I tried finding it. Yo, I couldn't find it.
Good thing you mentioned it too when you dropped it off. I apologize for it. I used to take photos at the car shoot and everything, which is crazy.
I just made my cover photo for the video. This shit looks OD. With the K1s. Yeah, no, I'm fucking up the game. This shit's gonna look crazy. Damn, nigga. Mr. Money Man got carbon everything. This shit's nasty, nigga. Do you have a sticker? You just putting some tape on the inside. Front of the car looks nasty. Trying to get the rear on, but the rear is giving me some issues because the fiberglass doesn't cut right. So we're trying to figure it out. We got Cito's car. Had to take the wheels off to put the bolts in. Just put this one back on, this one's screwed in.
Sam is from Japan.
He's from Japan?
From Cali.
That gay ass nigga. Damn, shout out my dog. This shit looks nasty, nigga. What the fuck? Oh man, I'm in love. This shit looks gorgeous. Damn, this shit looks so good. Alright, about to make the outro. Car's looking fucking mint. Shout out to my dog. He painted it all. If you need anything, I'll put up his shit right there. Peace.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Can rock, can put the thugs and can put. Crown up in a van back. It's in a your handbag. Your knapsack, it in a your backpack. This melody your girlfriend contact.
You are now tuned in to Wavy RSX.